Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to allow automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on My Phone. Then scroll down and... sorry for that. Scroll down and enter the version info and localize the build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. And now we've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Then scroll down to the very bottom again and tap on developer options. And here we've got the list of options, and all we have to do is to find automatic system updates. So let's tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.